Pretty hot, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, but it's not really my thing.
Gee, I think a guy like you look pretty great in one of these.
You think?
Absolutely. Here, slide on into it. See how it feels.
What about the Bentley?
I got the guys in back washing it up for you. We have a few minutes.
Sure, why not?
It's always been my motto.
Oh, pretty snug.
Tight's good, don't you think?
Sure, tight's good. Oh, hi.
Hi.
So where do they put the engine in these things?
They put it where it belongs, in the rear.
Huh. So, no stick?
No, you shift from the wheel. Let me show you. Left side down, right side up. You don't need a stick.
And yet I've got one anyway.
Is that your cell phone?
Boy, I hope so.